Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add emojis in your Microsoft Outlook email. Alright, so first of all, ensure that you already have your account set up, and you can achieve that by heading to your Google Chrome browser or any browser of your choice and then type in Microsoft Outlook, and it will take you to a page that looks like this, where you can get your account properly signed in if you do have one, or you can decide to create a free account. You can also navigate through this platform to pick a preferred plan of your choice. Either you want to use it for family, for personal reasons, you want to use the basic tool or the free Outlook plan. Pick any Outlook plan of your choice and then head into the main page that looks like this. So this is where all the magic happens. Remember, Microsoft Outlook is a very key and important tool that is used for creating email. It is a personal information manager from Microsoft, primarily used as an email client. It is part of the Microsoft 365 suite that is formerly known as Microsoft 365, but it can also be used as a standalone application beyond email. Microsoft Outlook includes tools for calendar management, task tracking, contacts, note taking, and journal logging. Alright, so I'll just quickly show you how to add emojis in Microsoft Outlook email, which is what we want to do today. So first of all, head on to create a new mail. So just click on new email to create a new message. Alright, over here, as you can see on my screen, click on that and it will navigate to this page where you can create your mail. Remember to add the person you are sending this mail to, create the subject of your mail, and then when you're done doing that, head over to type in your mail. Let's say, for instance, my mail says this, and then on the next page I want to add emoticons or emojis. Head over to the top here where you have different options labeled. Click on insert. You can see the emoji option over here. Click on insert emojis and your emojis will appear at the right hand corner of your screen. Now pick whatever you want to insert. Right, pick this particular one, and as you can see, it is being displayed on my screen. I can pick as many emojis as possible and they would all appear on my screen. So this is how you can simply add emojis to your email in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for watching this video, and when you're done, just click on send and it will send to your recipients. Until next time, bye for now.